CJX CHH. Couple of months ago, I received one engine. One second, let me say what day is today. All right, today it's Tuesday, January 10th, 2023. All right. Now, a couple of months ago, I received this CJX that I said before that I don't want to close it with this cylinder head because this cylinder head, it was gone. This is the one with the epoxy and the one that the valve guides are gone and the valves and another one thing, I don't remember what. In any case, I didn't want to install this cylinder head. I sent it back and then they installed it on the car and it was making ticking sound. It's touching also the lifter on the retainer on the valve. So I didn't get any answer till yesterday night. Just a second. Except of this CJX from the same customer, I have another one somewhere there. And I forget completely that. One second, let me show you what I received yesterday night. Alright. What I received yesterday night. Crankshaft. That this crankshaft need to go at the machine shop for checking it and polishing to see that it's on specs. I cannot use it with the imperfections. You know, don't want to put a new bearings. Not for that CJX, for a different CJX. It's the crankshaft. For that CJX that I saw you a second ago, alright, they bring me this cylinder head. Now, what's wrong with this cylinder head? First thing, what's wrong? It's missing the cover up. The cover is important because it's been married with the cylinder head. Because with the cover, you're holding down the camshafts. It does have a caps here. The cover up, it's keeping down the camshafts. So without the cover here up, it's useless. Alright, then, if you come here and see, you see crack here, crack here. I mean, you can clearly see that. You see here crack. I'm talking about this here. Here. Here, here, and here. Now, even if it's not leaking, when you have a crack near to the seat, you know what will gonna happen, right? The seat, it's a press fit inside, and you have aluminum with stainless steel. So it's not the ideal to have a crack, especially when you're planning to upgrade the engine. When you're planning to tune the car, then what we see here, we see heat here at this point, here, here on the third cylinder. Yeah, it's not the cleanest, and you can see some burn point here on the exhaust. Yeah, it warmed up a lot, this cylinder head. So, because of these cracks, one thing is the cracks that you see here, this here, what you see. I don't know if you can understand where I'm pointing. On this side you see 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Even if it's not leaking, I'm gonna give you a scenario. Imagine, let us say, the valve seat to come out of the position after, especially the exhaust one, alright? Because they're running hot, these engines. It's direct injection, there is no external wastegate. It also has more back pressure. It'll gonna increase much more the temperature. Imagine, let us say, the valve seat to come out of the position, go sideways, and then keep the valve open. Alright? So, because, like I said, because of the crack here, and because missing the cover here up, I will gonna reject this cylinder head. Alright? At least this is me. Somebody else, maybe he'll gonna install it. Here they installed the other one with epoxy. With epoxy, see, if you're planning to use the car for a drag race for one season, you might get away with that. It's not for daily use car. You know, that from this point of view. Regarding the crankshaft, going at the machine shop, like I said, polishing it, checking that it's on specs, see that straight. When it comes back again, I will gonna double check it again, like always. and then we can move on with that. But with this cylinder head, I'm sorry. That's it. Thank you.